So the very first thing which I noticed on this account, and I will open here a new page with all the products listed, is that quantities are zero. So it looks like this account is not synchronized with anything and the quantities are not provided. So no matter if we will fix products information and submit them to Walmart, those products will not be displayed to buyers. So the way to update quantities is user can either update this here, or it can be done through tools, and here you can update quantities through bulk quantity update. Of course, if you are selling on Amazon or Jet, we can always synchronize those other platforms with Walmart. But let me focus on quantity, not on quantities, but on fixing those issues listed here. So first of all, I see those products have missing UPC code. So this is pretty simple. All you have to really do is just export those products to a file, then find a column with UPC, and then just fix it. Just add this value to the file and then import this file back. So one thing which you have to keep in mind is that if you export those products now to a file, you can just search for SKU, I'm sorry, not for SKU, but UPC. So this is the UPC. It looks like some of them they have already. So what I can do is actually I can delete all the columns here. I do not need them, and leave only those columns which are responsible for providing information about UPC. So let me remove all of them. Yeah, so I can even delete those because we have them. So now you can just provide here the numbers and then use our import file functionality to import this data. So let me close it. And yeah, so if I fix it, I just go to tools, I go to import CSV, CSV import of products, and then I'll just use this functionality to import those values to our system. Now, so this is one problem. Another issue which this account is facing are information about missing information about variations on product page. So for example, if I click here on this product and I see here that Walmart displays this product with colors only, but you can actually see that those products have also sizes. So now if I edit this product and I scroll down over here, I can see that the attribute is also actually assigned correctly. So it's shoe size and color, and the shoe size is provided, color is provided, so it looks like everything is correct. I mean, this product is correctly has correct information here. Just to make sure, what I'm gonna do is I'm going back here. Let me see, let me go back here. I copy this group ID over here, so it shows me only products from this ID, from this group ID. I export them to a file, and I see over here also those information. So let me scroll more. So the UPC is provided, and it looks like they just look identical. The differences are in color. You have see pink and brown, and also shoe sizes, and also you can see that they have category, subcategory, everything is correct. And now also the group ID, variant group ID is correct, is the same, and the attributes are shoe size and color. So everything is correct. So the data is correct in our system. It looks like this data is incorrectly. It's not located on Walmart servers. So most likely To fix this, all we have to do is like bulk action and export to Walmart. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Then I can just go to export status, and here very soon I can just refresh the page, and here very soon I will see that this feed ID, feed upload will be displayed here. So sometimes it takes time, so very often 15-20 minutes to actually see the feed, and later on there will be a status here so we can see if it went through. But if it goes through, you should then Walmart should see those new values. In case they still do not see it, we may need to contact Walmart and ask them for a review of the situation, why correctly submitted attributes are not shown on their website. But but there are also on this account different cases, like for example this product here. Also it has a color displayed here, and actually it has few colors to select, but you can see that there are different sizes also associated with those products. So what I'm gonna do here is I will just copy the group ID and search for this here, and so you can see that many products are within this group. So they have different color, different sizes. They have also missing UPC and images. So to fix first of all the image, I can just open this one, and this is, I see red one, so I open those two, and so this is the one that has an image. So I just copy this URL, I go here where the image is missing, and I insert this here and just click save without export to JET. But it also, the UPC is required. So yeah, so here we have to also provide UPC to actually be able to save the product. But yeah, but to fix the image, all you have to do is really copy a URL from the existing product and then insert this to another product which has this issue of missing image. Now, but let's go back here. We can see that those products which we can view on Walmart, they have only color. It looks like they should have color and size here as an option. So what we have to do is, as I said, I take the group ID, I search for this group ID, I export those products to a file over here. I open it, and then I search for group ID. So you can see here's a group ID. And now let me see, I'm just removing all the unnecessary columns. So all I keep is okay, the brand I can keep, the color, gender, shoe size, shoe category, the attributes, and variant. So this is actually all we need. Maybe let me see, I will delete this also here. And also this one is primary variant. So this is also important. So how to fix it? You can see that some of them are having attribute only color, some of them shoe size and color. So what I'm gonna do is I will just copy this here to make sure that we have everywhere size and color. And over here, yeah, we have to see if the shoe size, why shoe size is missing. The shoe size should be provided here. So I see, yeah, so if this shoe size is provided here now, shoe category, we can fill out like this. Then we have to take care of the is primary variant. Primary variant means you have to, one of the products has to have 1 and the other have to be 0. So what it does is you just have to indicate here which product is the one that user will see when they land on the product page for the first time. So they didn't select any parameters, they didn't select shoe size or color, and this is the one that they will see as the first main image. the main image, I mean the main product. So yeah, so if this can be fixed here, over here the shoe size, all you have to do is just save this file, then again go here, tools, CSV import, and just import. And you just have to notice that I just keep those columns which are necessary, right? So, I mean, if we are not even changing those columns, I see we didn't make any changes here, I can just delete this. And the products are identified within our system as well as on Jet and Walmart by SKU. So you just have to make sure that the SKU column is always here. And then yeah, after you just fix it, you just import, and this those issues will be solved. The images, the easiest way to fix an image is just edit a product and upload an image. The same with the missing UPC. We have also a beta version of this functionality, bulk edit data fixing. So you can also actually visit here and you can see that this system is trying to show you here what kind of information are missing. So for example, this product has missing UPC code, so you can see it's in red. And yeah, and there are also so you can just go through this and fix here product by product. But probably the easiest way is just work with individual groups and just take one group, fix it, submit to Walmart, see what happens, and move to the next one. Let me see this feed status here. So yes, it looks like this is those 12 products which we submitted. I can see details, and it's probably still exporting. So it's unexpected system error occurred. So yeah, it's pretty typical. Sometimes you have to just resubmit the products, but if that happens few times in a row, then you have to contact Walmart. But let me read here. Yes, it looks like it just it's some API issue on Walmart site. So definitely we should resubmit those products and see what happens. And in case there is some kind of if that happens over and over again, then we have to contact Walmart and let them know that this feed ID does not go through, and they have to tell us what happens. But for this account also, it's very important that the quantities are missing. So Walmart does not really consider those products at all to be even probably processed. And they want to see some quantities, which indicates that those products are available for sale.